Hey guys, welcome back to Canal Lifestyle channel. Yeah man, this man we're there with Balti. Yeah man, so today we are look at spearfishing in the morning now. And hopefully we can find some lovely size fish. A long time me and Balti link up on this one spearfishing. Yeah man. So we take time link up little by little. Yeah man, we so link up with NASA CM because we now ask how we now link up with NASA CM. So we are link up with NASA CM and do some spearfishing soon. Yeah man. So stay tuned and watch what we're going to head out right now. We're not tarry, because right now we're late for go see. Yeah man, so head out right now and so we can find. So stay tuned and watch what we're going. Welcome back to the underwater segment. Yes guys, this morning I see my boat and I see that lovely starfish here. I'm take him up. Yeah man, I did a look on him. Very wonderful, very pretty starfish. This one was a red one. Yes guys, very pretty something. Yeah, I was admire them when I see them I go to sea. Yeah, man, they're very pretty. So this is my first fish encounter. Yes guys, this is our first fish. This is a lovely size part I saw on the ground. And when I took a dive on him, heading towards him, but I never want to shoot him from the distance of me at. And I never want to shoot him there, so I spear of forcing in the rock right there. Yeah man, so I was trying to see if I could get a clean shot on him. But unfortunately he didn't give me a chance. He started to swim off. I took this random drop. I didn't saw anything, but I took the dive to see if I could saw a fish to shoot. But I didn't saw anything, so I just go back up. But before I go back up, I was just looking around. That when I was looking around, looking over the rock and all of those stuff, I didn't saw anything. here I do the same thing again. Dive down, look over the rock. I didn't saw anything same way. Yes guys, so unfortunately I didn't get to shoot anything on this dive. Right here I saw a parrot, but I don't think you guys are going to see him. I saw the parrot swimming over the rock. When I dived down, he went right underneath the rock. But I thought he was going to peep out or try to swim out back, but he didn't swim back out. It seems like he hid underneath that rock. So this dive I dive down on a grunt. I saw the grunt and I swim back to dive down over the rock so I can get a better chance of shooting it. So here I'm going down on the rock. You're going to see I'm going to take my little time and peep over the rock and take the time and look up. So there are all of the grunts. So I line up this one. I line up that one to shoot it and I didn't get it. So on this dive I saw this lovely hogfish. Took the dive on it. And I took the dive on it now and line it up and shoot after it. I didn't get to shoot it, but I swear to God I shot that hogfish. You're going to see him coming from the right. Yes guys. But first I didn't saw the hogfish at first. I saw a next fish. So when I was going back up I saw the hogfish. As you can see there's a hogfish. So I took the shot. I swear to God I shot that fish, but when I was going up I saw that the line wasn't moving or anything like that, so I noticed that I didn't shoot it. So while I was going down, I came across a parrot. He's right there, down there in the trench. So I'm going to take the dive. When I took the dive, he swim underneath the rock, and I was there waiting on him to come back out, but he didn't come back out. I was there laying down on the ground waiting on it to come back out so I could get to spear it. But as I can see, the parrot is running, going towards that side. If I look closely, there's the parrot, but the parrot went underneath the rock and then come back out, so I didn't get the chance to get to spear it. And there's the next one way out there in front of me. So on this dive, I dive down on a grunt. When I took the dive on the grunt, I thought the grunt was still there by the rock, but when I dived down and looked, the grunt wasn't there, so I didn't get the chance to spear that grunt. Yes guys, so this is the same thing. I saw a grunt right here, and I dived down on it. When I dived down on the grunt swim underneath the rock. I didn't notice until I reached down there to go over the rock to look if I saw the grunt. So I didn't get to shoot this grunt either. I saw this redbelly while I was above on the water top. So I saw it and decided I was going to spear that redbelly. When I went down there, the redbelly tried to hide me. Yes guys, they tried to hide me and I saw it. When I saw it, I speared it right in the head. Right in the gill here, I speared it. So right here, saw this red belly, took the dive on it, and while I was going down, the red belly saw me coming and swim off coming towards the right hand side of the rock. Yes guys, you're going to see the red belly swimming coming towards the rock that I dived on, and it tried to hide, and when it tried to hide, I was there to see if it was going to come out on the other side, because it went on the rock right there. So watch it come out on the other side. When it come out on the other side now, I shoot after it and I missed, because I shoot above it when I should shoot below. So right here I speared this lovely size jack off camera. Yes, a lovely mud jack. Speared it off camera. I was there swimming, but when I tried to turn on the camera, I didn't have the chance to turn it on, so I have to just shoot this jack and then I turn on the camera. Right here I'm heading towards land, and these are the 3 fish that I shoot. Yes guys, so when I come out on the land, you're going to see the fish better. Yeah guys, so this is how we come here with. Yeah man. So we come here guys. Come with them 3 fish. 2 small parrot and 1 big jack. I wonder if that one a poison guys, because I'm some purpose something for them now. See there? I wonder if something to that one. Come on, cause I see purpose something right or something. I wonder if anything there. So first me I see, then the purpose something from them. I need 1 spot to there, 2 spot to there, so. And there, so. I wonder if I nothing new. So it's Balti reach right there, so. He did a head in before me, but I turn and reach him before him. Yeah man, see him right there, so I come in. When he reach him, show you what him catch, you know? Yeah man. So that's me where I go and clean up them. Go and clean up them. And when he reach him, show you what him catch. So let's watch how I go on when he see he reach closer now. Like that, so yeah man, so when he come out of the water, I'll show him catch. So hey guys, this is how we're about to come here with. So everything I'm about to come here right now. Okay, I mean I wonder what that, you know. Yeah, finally reaching, so this is how we come here. Yeah, so we are cleaning them up now, and then we are head off. Hey guys, it's done clean up it. Don't clean up the fish them now. Yeah man. But to put few money in a bag. Yeah, we finished cleaning the fish them already. Yeah man, so finished cleaning the fish them already, so yeah, we pack up the gears them now and head off. So until I reach and I'm reach down with some I go. I don't know what is what. I know if I go take off them two here and cook them around, I don't know. And put on this a big one for serving. No, I never make up my make no know. I know but I cook none of the fish them. So I carry them put to the rest of my shoot yesterday. Yeah man, so anyways guys, I cut the video right there, so until then guys, see you guys soon again. I hope you continue subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, and leave a like, leave a comment. Yeah man, and share the YouTube channel with your friend them and family and everybody you know. Yeah man, make the channel get big enough people. Yeah man, come on reach 5k subscribe or more, you know, 10k subscribe, more climb a ladder like everybody is, you know. Yeah man. So I try improve my video them and try put out my best in them so they can reach worldwide and get more views, more likes and thing. Yeah man. So see you guys soon again.